What's up guys, Skate's Garage here, back with another video. Last video, you saw me take the engine out of this thing. This video, we're going to be putting it on a stand and tearing it all apart. It's going to be a two-parter because it's a lot of content, so hope y'all enjoy it, and let's get into it. We got this thing going on, that thing, guys. Welcome back. But before we do, I need to tilt the engine. I need to tilt the engine back, if that makes sense. Because it's sitting, you see how it's sitting that way, and it needs to be that way in order to mount up with that. I'm gonna make it work. What if I were to risky move here, y'all, but let's do that again real quick. Oh, come on. Okay. All right. Hey, that's pretty level. Look at that shit, dude. Okay, guys. It's moment of truth time. It's just gonna fall, die. It's gonna fall. Moment of truth. Moment of truth. First time. Okay. Oh. Oh. God, dude. Oh. Oh, that's scary. We're completely on the engine. Or the engine is completely on the stand. Guys, we did it. God, this is 300 pounds, baby. Okay, there we go. There we go. I kind of wish this rod would stay. But boom. Look at that, guys. All right, that's a thumbnail right there if I've ever seen one. Okay, thumbnail. Get out of here. Well, actually, we're just gonna take these motor mounts off. I believe those are just 14s if I'm not mistaken. Ah! Okay, that's one way to do it. Oh, that's... I forgot there was oil in this bucket. Drain the coolant out of the engine. Oh my God, I'm turning the stand, bro. Okay. Let's lock these wheels then. No, you're kidding. It only came with one lockable wheel? Wow, bro. Cheap. I mean, it was $100, so I'm not complaining. If you're working on them. Yeah, baby. Woo! Hey, at least we're not seeing any rust, man. It's pissing. Ooh. Ooh. I don't like the sound of that. There we go. Oh, that one was easy-ish. Yeah. Uh-oh. What was that? Don't know, don't care. All right, y'all. So water pump is next. Uh-oh. Oh God, is this making it in? Give me my socket. Oh my God, bro. It won't give me the socket. Maybe we should have taken off the power steering pump. Ah, this is kind of annoying. I would like my socket back, please. There we go, there we go. Alternator is easy, it's just 4 bolts, you know. That are 13s. Car is the worst. It's all. Bro, I'm slowly about to crash out. There's no way. How did I get this off last time? Did I just like force it on there? Maybe if I think, let's see, is it a, oh shit. Yeah, no wonder it's not going on the hard. It's not a 14 or a 13, it's a 15 probably. Is that a 15? That's 15. Yes, it's a 15. Don't ask me how I've made it through life this far. Come on, buddy. Come on. There you go. Come on. What the f is happening? Get out! Oh my God. Come on. Don't be shy. There you go. Out. Alternator out. Voila. Alternator go to the bed. I'm excited to get this bracket off, dude. No! No! I dropped the bolt! Is there anything else? Oh my God, guys. What the... Oh my God. Oh, we're gonna have to pull the pump off and the pulley and all this other Alright, let me see if I can get this pump off tonight, or this pulley. If I can't get this pulley off, then this is where we're stopping for tonight and going to bed. Alright guys, yeah, that's not coming off tonight. No. Because God forbid Chevy make anything normal, you know. Welcome back, guys. It's the next day. I got cardboard down. I got the garage cleaned up. So we're gonna get into this. I don't have the tools right now to pull these 2 pulleys off, so these are gonna have to stay on. But I can take almost everything else off. So we're gonna start with the exhaust manifolds, and then we're gonna go at the intake manifold and get all that off and stuff. So let's get into it. Get a little quick Oreo. Not sponsored, by the way. But if you want to, Oreo, help me turbo this thing. That'd be pretty sick. But probably not. So we soaked these bolts last night, and then I soaked them this morning. Oh, yo, I don't know whether to be scared or impressed, because that just came right on out. Oh my gosh. All right. Oh, it was the donut gasket. Okay. That one's... All right. So I actually don't know if I can get this one off because of this bracket, because I have to take the power steering pump off to get that off. But possibly we can, well, I don't know. Oh wait, yeah. Look at that. There comes that nut off. Oh God. Oh shoot. What the heck? Uh-oh. Bad, bro. Pipe wrench for the win. Ah, come on. Come on. Come on. Oh my God, it's twisting the pipe, bro. All right, coolant thingy is out. Ignition coil. And that is how that comes out, y'all. Oh, there goes the rotor. That's where that went. Oh my God. That's where that went. Hey. All right, well, we're just gonna...